right, I know I'm late, but I am going to be starting some warm season veggies. So we're going to start off with some zucchini. I can't believe how warm the water is that I soaked the beans. Where it's what? We're just gonna sprinkle them all in. Forget it. All right, and here we are on Sunday. Let's get a quick review. Oh, look, we are seeing some zucchini popping up. I didn't know if we were going to get any of those. Those seeds are pretty old. We got 4 of the dark zucchini. I think I put 2 to 3 seeds in each one. Lemon cucumber, nothing. And you know what? I've never had much luck with that lemon cucumber pack. I don't know what's going on. Oh, that's just a flower bud. 2 of the Armenian cucumber. Patty pans, we have these two. Oh, I see stems. Oh, there we go. They're hiding. Hello, little babies. Okay, so those are doing good. Nothing. Oh, I'm lying. I should just stop and look first. Cucamelon, just starting. I find cucamelons are really slow to like germinate and get going. Like they stay small forever and then they go bananas. English cucumbers did really good. Those are the first ones up. Cantaloupe, we got a little one coming up. I have no idea where I'm putting any of those really big vinding ones. Delicata squash, that's sprouting. Okay, where is that going to go? Who knows? This is the Japanese cucumber here. It's doing really well. So the cucumbers are going to go up by the gazebo in those grow bags. Sugar baby watermelon. Where am I going to grow watermelon? Oh well. Okay, and then birdhouse gourds. Oh, good. They're coming along. This guy's got his little... I'm going to bury that. It's supposed to go down, buddy. You're supposed to go down that way. There you go. Get you down lower. These were out in the rainstorm the other night, and so it kind of got dislodged a little bit. Here I have the red pink amaranth stems. This is the lavage. This is some basil, that naughty basil. This is I think the red ribbon basil. And then this is the lime basil, which I cannot grow lime basil for the life of me. I mean, I don't know. It hates me. Sometimes I'll get a couple sprouts, and then that's it. So, that's really exciting. So everything's doing pretty good. The zucchini, those seeds are really old. So The cucumber melons, they'll come. They'll come. I have faith. So that little tray is doing really, really well. As for the beans, I'm not seeing a lot. Maybe just a few. Actually, I see a lot floating. Oh, there's some there coming up. Okay. We've had so much rain that they've just been kind of washed out a bit. So let's shove them back down in there. Oh, that one's sprouting good. Perfect. Okay.